الجهة على اليسار.
اوكي، علي دقنك. طلع فيكي هون دغري. ابتسم. كذا ابتسم، هي صورة للتذكرة مش لورقة نعوي. ايوه.
So this movie name is Kapernaum, and this movie is about a kid named Jan, who is a refugee in Lebanon. And this movie shows his life and his struggles of life being a homeless kid. And then the movie ends with a very positive message. So after watching this movie, I was kind of moved. And I was like, people like you and me, who probably never experienced being a homeless person, might not know what it really likes to be homeless, right? And then what happens, that things that we have, we start taking it for granted. So I thought, why don't I go homeless for one night and see what it really likes to be out there alone in the dark. And also one more thing, I will not be going into extreme homeless mode. I'll be having my tripods, my camera gear, one water bottle, my mobile phone. And also, as I don't want to be confined to one area of Bangalore, I want to see how does it feel in different corners of Bangalore. So I would be using Yulu bike to commute from one place to another. Alright, so we have got one Yulu bike, and right now it's full traffic in the city. So I will just roam around before I settle in somewhere. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
भरत.
भरत भाई, तुम्हारी देखो फोटो. I just realized that if you are a homeless person, then the best place to spend your time or spend your night is railway station, because here you will find place to sleep and it is also safe, I feel. ऑल राइट फोक्स, तो अभी रात के 9 बजे हुए हैं और धीरे धीरे भीड़ होना ख़त्म हो गई है, और मुझे अभी चिंता हो रही है कि मैं बची हुई रात गुजारूं कैसे. So one thing I found very interesting, that when you are homeless, then you are confused. You are confused about where to go, because actually there is nowhere to go. So now I am feeling a bit hungry, So I'll find something to eat. तो अब हम जा रहे हैं इस ब्रिज के ऊपर. लेट्स सी इफ आई फाइंड एनी कंपनी. So it looks like there is no one on this bridge. I am all alone. But you know, I was going through this Google and I found that there are around 25,000 homeless people. And I'm just wondering if they are not in the bridges, they're not in the railway station. So I hope that they would have found some shelter. But God knows. So right now I am at Marathali Bridge and the time is around 1 o'clock. So I was thinking, when you are homeless, then you do not have much things to do, right? If you have home, then you can watch TV, you can use mobile, you can talk to your friends. But think about a homeless person from his perspective. He or she does not have much things to do, right? So I feel that being homeless is not just about being homeless. Like, they are extremely bored, they are lonely, sometimes they are scared. So they're always going through these, you know, these gamut of emotions. These emotions are always going through their mind. And I feel that is the scariest part of being homeless. All right, folks. तो रात के 2 बज चुके हैं और मुझे आ रही है खतरनाक वाली नींद. Now I am feeling why I am doing this. What is the point of being homeless when you have home nearby? तो अब मैं जाऊंगा Majestic because I need a place where I can take a nap at least. तो ये है मैजेस्टिक बस स्टॉप. ऑलराइट फोक्स, तो हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं मैजेस्टिक KSR रेलवे स्टेशन और अब आ रही है मुझे खतरनाक वाली नींद. तो यहाँ पर लेंगे 2 घंटे का विराम.
228 Karnataka Mysore Express, special from Karnataka to Mysore, arrived to platform number 9.
So outside seats were not very comfortable, so I came inside this train. Alright folks, so now the time is 5 a.m. and I will spend the whole night being homeless. So I think it's time to get back to home. Alright, so I don't know how to explain this whole experience, and if you're watching this video, it might look like a normal night out ride, but believe me, it's not. I have been outside in the night many a times, probably with my friends or in a railway station waiting for a train, but today there were no friends and there was no train coming, and it was a completely different experience. So I would suggest that you also give it a try. Just be there all alone by yourself. And I hope that after this experience, you might start appreciating the things that you have in life.